Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax here in Greenville. Wanted to show you this 2025 23R Bennington that we just received here in the last couple of days. Beautiful boat, the beautiful colors on here. We got the ocean blue with the metallic silver. Really sets the boat off. Nice swooping lines across here with all your railings. Come on back here, let me show you a little bit more about this. This R has the extended aft deck back here, gives you a ton of room for jumping in the water and jumping around with the kids and all that if you're tied up outside in the cove or something. You've got a 200 Mercury here. It's going to have plenty of power to do some skiing, water sports, or anything like that. Of course, it has the brand new lily pad. This really gives you all the footing and everything that you need to get up in the boat. Come on up here and let me show you this. You take a look up here in the bow. It's got the beautiful seating up here, the two benches with the curve here at the end there. It's got the nice pillow top, as you would expect in an R series boat. You've got speakers, lighted speakers down below with chargers for your phone. Has USB cords hookups right below the seat there. You've got tons of storage under all your seats and everything. Come on back here to the new helm. This is the new design. This is called the Vivid Dash from Bennington this year. It's a 3-screen system here. Has everything touchscreen, so it's easy to operate. Has everything in one place for you. Has the raised seating as well as the dual captain's chairs. And then this is a quad bench, so you have 2 benches back here in the back that you can face backwards and look out, or you just wrap around and see each other and talk to each other that way. If you have any more questions about this boat, please give us a call here at Greenville MarineMax. Thank you.